Artemis II. Astronauts prepare to reach the moon's far side. The crew of the historic Artemis II mission is approaching a major milestone. On Monday, the 4 astronauts, 3 Americans and 1 Canadian, are expected to reach the far side of the moon, venturing deeper into space than any human being in history. This mission marks a pivotal return to lunar exploration, picking up the mantle left by the Apollo program over half a century ago. Unlike the Apollo missions, which orbited relatively close to the lunar surface, the Artemis II crew will fly at an altitude of over 4,000 miles. This higher trajectory allows them to view the moon's entire spherical surface, including the poles and the mysterious far side. A record-breaking journey as the Orion spacecraft approaches the lunar sphere of influence, the point where the moon's gravity becomes the dominant force. The crew is on track to break the record for the maximum distance traveled from Earth by humans. The mission is not just a feat of distance, but one of perspective. The crew has already begun documenting lunar geography, including the Oriental Basin, a massive, bullseye-shaped crater often referred to as the Moon's Grand Canyon. No human eyes had previously seen this crater until today. Noted astronaut Christina Koch during a live session with students, highlighting the unprecedented visual access this mission provides. Technical hurdles. The space toilet problem. Despite the high morale and scientific progress, the mission is facing a very human challenge: malfunctioning sanitation equipment. Since liftoff on Wednesday, the Orion capsule's primary toilet has been working only sporadically. Engineers suspect that ice may be blocking the line, preventing urine from being flushed overboard. Until a fix is implemented, the crew has been instructed to use backup urine collection bags. While such technical glitches can be frustrating, NASA officials noted that they are not unprecedented. The issue involves a complex system that has faced similar reliability challenges on the International Space Station. Mission management has confirmed the crew is trained to manage the situation. The malfunction is currently limited to liquid waste. The commode remains functional for solid waste. The human element in deep space, beyond the technical data and geological observations. The mission is defined by the profound emotional experience of the crew. Commander Reed Weissman recently shared the impact of the journey, describing a live connection with his daughters as the greatest moment of my entire life. This human connection is a vital component of deep space travel. As the crew moves further from the pale blue dot of Earth, the psychological resilience required to manage isolation and technical stress becomes as important as the engineering of the spacecraft itself. Looking ahead, the path to a lunar base Artemis II is more than a flyby. It is a critical test flight for NASA's long-term lunar ambitions. The data gathered during this mission will pave the way for more complex operations, including testing life support systems in deep space environments, refining navigation and communication for lunar orbits, preparing for a crewed landing near the lunar South Pole, currently targeted for 2028. The ultimate goal of the Artemis program is to move beyond visiting the moon and toward establishing a permanent lunar base, which will serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. Conclusion. While technical issues with onboard sanitation present a practical challenge, the Artemis II mission remains on course to achieve unprecedented human distance from Earth and provide a transformative view of the lunar landscape.